Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk to you about the reasons for hair damage and how you can use Dabur Almond Oil to control it. Okay, so what causes hair damage? I think the number one and the major reason is heat. When you use heat on your hair every day to style your hair, whether it is straightening, curling or whatever it is, and on top of that you go on using hairsprays and products, so there's product buildup on your scalp which irritates your scalp, in turn causing hair damage. Now of course it irritates your scalp and you do lose hair, but because of the heat your hair does get dry, damaged and can easily break off. Now the second reason would be sun exposure. Now all of us think about our skin, and whenever we are going out in the sun we apply sunscreen, but we don't really think about our hair. But your hair also can get really damaged because of sun exposure, especially when you're out and when your hair is open and you don't tie it in a scarf, your hair can get damaged, causing hair loss. So the next reason is pollution. Yes, pollution can also cause hair damage. When you're out, there's a lot of smoke and dust and dirt in the air that can build up on your scalp and irritate your scalp. Now because of this dust, dirt and sweat and oiliness, your hair gets very irritated and your scalp also gets very irritated, resulting in hair loss. Another reason for hair damage is too much stress. If you're working a lot, not taking enough rest, not sleeping well, that can also cause hair loss. If you're stressing too much, you're in front of the computer all the time, if your body is not getting the rest it needs, that can also cause hair loss. Protein is one of the main factors for healthy hair. So when your hair starts losing protein, your hair follicles become weak, which result in hair loss, and it also becomes difficult to grow your hair back. So Dabur Almond Hair Oil helps provide your hair with the power of almond protein to help strengthen your hair from the root to tip, giving you stronger and healthy looking hair. Dabur Almond Oil also has 2 times extra vitamin E in it, which means double the amount of vitamin E when compared to other brands, which helps deep moisturize and condition your hair, giving softer, smoother and shinier hair. Using Dabur Almond Oil has a lot of benefits. Firstly, it is rich in vitamin E, which is the key to healthy hair. It helps you get rid of dandruff, it strengthens your hair and makes your hair really strong. It gives your hair the required moisture to fight dryness, which in turn prevents split ends. It nourishes your hair, helps with inflammation and itchiness and makes your hair really soft. So let's see how you can use it and how you can fight all these reasons to hair damage. Now if you see Dabur Almond Oil, it has 2 times more vitamin E, which is very important for your hair. So this will help you, soften your hair, strengthen your hair follicles. It also nourishes your scalp and gives your hair the moisture, making it smooth and making it softer. Dabur Almond Oil is very easy to use. I will show you how to use it, and it is also very light on your hair. It is not like those heavy oils, it feels really light, which also makes it very easy to wash off. And if one simple product can help you fight with your hair problems, then why not? Now to use this, all I do is first comb through my hair to make sure there are no knots, and then I make these sections, and with the help of my fingers I just apply it on my scalp. Now the first thing that I noticed about it is that it is very cooling. It really instantly cools your body down. So I'm just going to make sections throughout my hair and apply this with my fingers. Now once I've applied this all over my scalp, I'm just going to use my fingers and massage it for 2 minutes. Now after I've massaged it, I'm going to use some more oil at the ends of my hair to help with dryness. It really conditions and softens your hair. Now once I'm done applying oil on my hair, I'm just going to tie my hair in a bun and leave it for 20 minutes before washing it off. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.